Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to withdraw Tether from Revolut to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding USDT in Revolut and want to move it to a secure wallet like Trust Wallet for more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Update them to the latest 2025 versions for enhanced security features, like biometric authentication and faster transaction speeds. Once that's done, open your Revolut app and navigate to your crypto section. Locate your Tether, USDT, balance. That's the amount you'll be withdrawing. Next, switch over to Trust Wallet. If you haven't already, set up a wallet for USDT. Go to the Receive option, select Tether, and generate a new wallet address. This is crucial because it's a unique code where your funds will land. Double-check that you're using the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum. Depending on your setup in 2025, Revolut might default to one, so match it up. Now, head back to Revolut. Tap on your USDT balance and select Withdraw or Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then paste in the wallet address from Trust Wallet. Before you hit Confirm, review everything: the amount, the address, and any fees involved. In 2025, expect lower fees thanks to improved blockchain tech, but always check. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a verification code or prompt. Enter it to proceed. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. To track it, use the transaction ID in both apps. Finally, once it's done, open Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. Voila! Your Tether should be there, ready for trading or staking. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing Tether from Revolut to Trust Wallet is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.